If you know that your soil is washing away, then there are several steps that you can take to stop erosion. You may wish to consider building retention walls to hold your soil in place. Any bald spots should be covered immediately. The grass will not grow on many slopes, but there are beautiful plants that will thrive there. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 of the best plants to control erosion. Before that, please like and subscribe to support my channel, and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Well, here are 5 of the best plants to control erosion. Number 1. Mondo grass. Mondo grass is also known as monkey grass, is an evergreen perennial that makes a great standalone or undercover grass-like plant. This grass does well in almost any soil and lighting condition. It is a slow-growing grass that can be easily grown through division and requires minimal care once established. It can also be used for erosion control. Mondo grass is a drought-tolerant grass. This plant is highly resilient and makes an excellent ground cover for large areas too. It is therefore a good replacement to turf and growing to become a popular option. Number 2. Vinca minor. Vincas are very adaptable plants. They can survive in any well-drained soil, but grow the best in ones that are fertile and loamy with a neutral to slightly acidic pH. In northern regions, vinca can be grown in any amount of sunlight, from full sun to dense shade. In the south, vinca should be grown in moderate to dense shade. Vinca spreads by creeping across the ground and rooting at each node that touches the surface. This makes it an excellent plant to use for erosion control on slopes. Number 3. Japanese spurge. Japanese spurge forms a glossy, broadleaf, evergreen carpet that controls soil erosion in shady areas. It stays under 10 inches tall, spreads well beneath trees but does not climb, and gives a subtle display of creamy white flowers in early summer. Number 4. Creeping phlox. Plant creeping phlox on sunny slopes for erosion control with a pop of spring color. A carpet of pink, purple, red, or white flowers each spring makes creeping phlox one of the showiest plants for erosion control. This hardy perennial has been used for generations to beautify steep banks and arm them against erosion. Number 5. Creeping juniper. Creeping juniper is a native low-growing shrub that grows up to 1.5 feet high and branches can spread to form a dense mat up to 10 feet wide. It is found growing in rocky or sandy soils from rocky outcrops to streams. Creeping juniper is fairly adaptable to soil types and pH as long as the soil is well drained. Although this plant is native to North America, it is mostly relegated to the northern United States more sporadically in rocky areas. There are many cultivars available for use as erosion control and ground cover in hot, dry areas as slopes, rock gardens, or retaining walls. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to support my channel, and press the bell icon to get new video updates. And see you in the next videos.